Hi everyone, Thanksgiving is over. We had such a good time. I'm so thankful for the family that came to visit us, but now it's time to clean up. So today I'm going to be cleaning up our basement, which is basically our guest bedroom that we use. We have an attached bathroom, and so it's really convenient for our guests because they can just come on down here and they have their space. So I'm going to clean up all of the bed sheets, and I have a blow-up mattress that needs to be put away, and just kind of straighten some things up down here. And then I also, I have to mention, and just in case, I'm sure you see my face, there's no makeup on this face. And so hopefully I don't scare you away. But we're just staying home today. I'm cleaning up things. It's just kind of like, you know, the time after the holidays where you're just like, kind of need a break, but you got to get back into life too. And so I just didn't put any makeup on today. I hope y'all are okay with that. So I'm going to get started cleaning. I'm going to take you along with me as we go. So hopefully it is super motivating. Let's get started. Okay, I've got all the sheets and blankets off. I've got the sheets in the washing machine, and now I'm gonna clean up the bathroom. These cloths are my favorite way to clean windows and mirrors. So I need to clean the mirrors here. You can kind of see some spots on them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wet this microfiber cloth, and then I'll use that on the mirrors, and then I will come back through and dry it with this second cloth. These are so great. I haven't bought window cleaner in years because I just use these. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here with the shower. So I'm gonna first of all spray it with my all-purpose spray. This is just Castile soap, 2 teaspoons of Castile soap and almost 2 cups of distilled water. So I just use a water bottle and it's fine. And I mix it up. So I just shook the camera and I did that. I'm going to mix it up and then I'm going to spray it on the shower and the shower walls, and then I'll use my glass cleaner microfiber cloths to clean that up as well. The shower is clean, so now I'm gonna work on the sink and the toilet. Started decorating for Christmas, and so I have some of these bins here and boxes that I need to put back where they belong. So I'm going to do that, and then I am going to sweep and mop this whole room. Just needs swept and mopped, and then also the bathroom. And this is a chair, if you're wondering. This is one of our chairs that we have in the basement, and the legs, some of the legs come off, and so we have to fix it, and right now it's just out of order. So it's sitting down here in our basement until we can fix that. But next up is getting rid of the Christmas stuff and then sweeping and mopping. Sometimes I get questions about my cement floor because I have a video where I painted my cement floor in our basement, and I have no regrets. I'm really happy with it. There's no peeling, no chipping, and we use it every single day, but it is harder to clean. So let me show you what I mean. See how dirty that gets? And so I can't just like run a mop over it. Well, I could, but it doesn't get it really clean. And so I actually need to scrub this with some hot soapy water to get it really clean. And that's the only complaint that I think I have. Otherwise, like I said, there's no chipping, no peeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. Okay, so the floor is not perfect. I realized that I threw away my soft bristle scrub brush, which is really what this floor needs to get into the little nooks and crannies to get it clean. So I'm gonna have to be on the lookout for a new one. My other one had just been used and it was ready to go. So I am out of breath. I think that I have worked up a sweat here and have done a good job. So I'm going to take myself a little break. Hopefully today was motivating to you as you clean up things as well, maybe after the holidays. My next video is going to be my Christmas home tour. I'm not quite done with it. I feel like there's a few little things I want to tweak here and there, but I'm getting really close. And so if you like to watch home tour videos, especially at Christmas time, then be out on the lookout for that one. That one will be my next week's video. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.